Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel, and I'm going to do a video that has nothing to do with boats. I'm going to put that in the description as well. But if you don't want to watch this video because it doesn't have anything to do with boats, totally understand it. I'm going to do a video today on replacing the light bulbs in my Simplicity tractor. Now, why am I doing a video on replacing light bulbs on my Simplicity tractor on the Wisco Boater channel? Well, I don't have a tractor channel, and I've been wanting to switch over these lights to LEDs, and there's absolutely nothing out there on this particular tractor. This is a 2003 or 4 Simplicity Conquest. It has a 4 headlight system, and there's just nothing out there that shows how to do this. There's all kinds of videos on how to change out the bulbs from halogen to, or incandescent, or whatever they're called, to LEDs on a 2-light system, but nothing on a 4-light system. So these work just fine. All 4 bulbs light up nicely. I just want them to be LED. So that's the video that I'm going to work on today. Put this out there because there's nothing out there. Not an article, not a video on this tractor. So that's why I'm gonna do it. So the headlights, they all come out very easily. You don't have to take the whole assembly out. You just have to pull out each one of these one at a time. And it's just a just a quarter turn, eighth of a turn, something like that, and they pop right out. So there's the 4 headlights that or the 4 bulbs that I'm gonna take out. Now you would think that it would just be a simple matter of installing LED bulbs in place of the 1156 bulbs that are coming out. However, that's not the case. These are wired in a, not really in series, I guess, but they all come off of one positive lead and 1 negative lead. So what I think I'm probably gonna have to end up doing is swapping the positive negative to get each one of these to work right. I'm guessing the first one's gonna work just fine, but then after that, they're probably not going to work, just because LEDs are a diode and power can only flow in one direction on a positive, negative, negative, positive. That's just how power flows for an LED. So I'm gonna grab 4 LED bulbs. Just gonna go ahead and drop these in. I bought these on Amazon. 20 of them for like 18 bucks. So these are not the GE replacements, I guess you'd call it, or Sylvan or whatever they are. Those are like $15 for 2 of them. So you spend 30 bucks for four bulbs, and I've got 20 for 18. All right, so there's the 4 bulbs in place, and I'll turn the key on and turn the headlights on, and yep, one works. So I think what will work is just swapping the positive negative, see, just like that. And then on the next one, same thing. Just swap the positive negative. Look at that. all 4 bulbs work with the wires reversed. All right, so I'm gonna shut these off. Okay, and I'll plug them back in. Again, super easy to do. Just gotta get those tabs lined up. There we go. First one. Second one. All right, just like that. Now, put the hood back down. All right, and turn the lights on. Look at that. Super bright. That looks great. So just a short video to show how you have to change the positive negative leads on the standard wiring harness on a Simplicity Conquest lawn tractor. So hope that helps somebody else out there that's having a frustrating time trying to figure out why their LEDs don't work. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. All my other videos, if you're watching this because of the tractor, is pretty much about boating. I've got a couple of different boats that we do videos on, a cruiser, an express cruiser, and a little micro tugboat that I built in my garage last year. So check those out, and send me some comments if you like what you see, and hit that subscribe button. And I guess I can't say happy boating on this video, but we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the Let's Go Boater channel.